How's it going, everyone? We have a custom PC rig walkthrough video breakdown of everything that's in my PC. This is a $4,500 custom rig inspired by Corsair, obviously by NVIDIA, and it's on the Z97 platform. It is based off of basically everything in top tier Z97 and maxed out everything besides, I guess you could say, graphics cards. And well, yeah, because I don't really need two more graphics cards, especially when I get into telling you what they are. But yeah, let's get into it here. We'll start with the power supply. I have a Corsair AX1200i power supply with a Corsair inspired Pro cable kit, all red. I know they are not extensions, those are full-length red cables specifically made for the 1200i power supply, going all the way up to the 24 pin and the 8 pin there at the top. And then we have the Corsair H100i GTX liquid CPU cooler, and you can see that it is red there on the pump. See the Gigabyte motherboard. It is a Gigabyte Z97X G1 gaming motherboard. They're a top tier Z97 platform motherboard. We have 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance Pro memory at 2400 megahertz speed. The red dims. Fitted all around the case, we have Corsair inspired LED fans. That is a 140 millimeter airflow fan in the back there. There are two 140 millimeter airflow fans here, red LEDs as well. Up at the top there on the radiator, those are two 120 millimeter airflow fans as the pull on the radiator. Up here on the top, we have one 120 millimeter airflow fan, and then right here, if I just open this up for you guys, there are two 120 millimeter SPL fans that come with the radiator for great static pressure in the pull configuration. This is the Corsair 780T black and red case. Okay. Down here in the bottom, we have two 120 millimeter SP fans to create static pressure underneath the case and bring air in. So I have all air coming in from the top, air coming in from the front, and air coming in from the bottom, pushing it all out the back, out the rear. Okay. Then we have a Toshiba 2 terabyte drive, 7200 RPM. We have right there in the back. Sorry if I can get that freaking light out of the way. Sorry, you just have to bear with me right there. We have a Samsung 850 Pro 256 gigabyte SSD. And moving on to the LED lights that you see in here, there are the NZXT Hue RGB LED controller. 3 knobs, 3 different colors, red, green, blue. I'll have them all turned up right now to give me the white light that you see in the case right now. See if there's anything else I can mention. The processor underneath the H100i GTX liquid CPU cooler by Corsair is the 4790K overclocked to 4.7 gigahertz right now. Right there. I will be upgrading the processor to the 5775C Broadwell processor as soon as they release that in like the next coming weeks at Computex 2015. And I believe that's everything except for my favorite part, which is the two graphics cards there. Those are two NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan X graphics cards, which with custom backplates. I'm sorry, one of them is NVIDIA, and then the bottom one is EVGA. Both of them stock 1000 megahertz. I do have them overclocked right now. My maximum overclock is 1,405 megahertz. We're looking at a 40% increase in megahertz clock speed on air cooling. That's quite insane. And it's all because of the nice airflow I have in my case. The temperatures of the GPU, the top one, since they're in SLI configuration, the top one usually always runs a little warmer than the second one. The top one runs around, it's not the best, then again it is summertime. It runs around 77 degrees Celsius, and that's with the fan curve, custom fan curve that I have, really aggressive. Fans can reach up to quite audible, like 95 degrees maximum, and that's if it gets anywhere close to 95%, sorry, if it gets close to the 80 range. But mostly I can take down the overclock a little bit and turn my fans up all the way on the fan controller up there, and I can get them pretty good. It's connected with a custom NVIDIA two-way spaced SLI bridge, and I don't know if you can see that, but the graphics cards are actually pulsating. Pretty cool. The graphics cards go up in brightness and then dim, and then the SLI bridge, when it's done flashing or breathing, it's in its brightest mode and then dims down, so they're the opposite of each other. It's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, that's been a custom PC build log of my Corsair 780T case. I'm running on a 4K monitor, 28 inches, 4K 60Hz panel, and I have a 1080p 60Hz panel here for all my overclocking software and stuff like that. The games are played here. I have a Razer Ouroboros mouse. Got my book there. This is a Astro A50 headset, and then a Razer Black Widow Ultimate keyboard. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube. Right in the eye. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.